get down to business real quick. So, first off, we have GDP and unemployment claims coming on the market. So after 7:30, I'm willing to find a trade today. So this is what's going down right now. So we have Asian session highs right here, London session highs right here. I'll show you right. Oh no, sorry. We have Asian session highs right here, 1 hour high, and then we have equal highs right here, which is also in London high. This is a 5-minute equal high compared to this 5-minute equal high, which is also a higher time frame high in the market. We haven't formed a low yet, especially on the let's see. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? Come on, bro. If market opens, this would be considered. Personally, this would be considered a low. I'll mark it out as purple just so you guys understand what this mark out is. Personally, I'd mark it as blue, but just for you guys, I'll just mark it as purple. Just fuck it, we're purple gang, I guess. I don't fucking know. But we have equal highs right here. We have 4-hour low right here. So right now we have 4-hour relative equal highs right here. Relative equal, they're not close to being highs, but they're almost there a little bit. We have a 4-hour low right here, and then we have another marked out right here. And this is a nice draw on liquidity, but we're not gonna get there. I suspect long-term vision might. I have 3 minutes to give you the fucking rundown. Hold on. Anyway, this is a nice draw liquidity right here, but I don't suspect us to be dropping down here and go back up here. I suspect in this market to be bullish. I want all this low resistance liquidity to get taken out today, and it's low resistance liquidity because, like I said in the last YouTube video, I told you guys what low resistance liquidity is, and let's see if you guys should hear me now. There we go. So this is all trend line liquidity right here, low resistance. I can definitely see all this get taken out, and then we have relative equal highs on the 5-minute, and this is also a higher time. This is also right here a higher time frame 1 hour high, London high. So I suspect at least price coming down here. I suspect price to at least come down here, fill all this in, and then long term make its way up. That's what I'm suspecting the market to do today. Considering that it's easier for the market to take out this higher time frame low, and draw on this low resistance liquidity, potentially sweeping out all of this, especially the relative almost equal highs on the 4-hour time frame. Low resistance highs. So that's my bias on GJ today. So definitely want to see how the market's going to open. On GU, we have once again really relative equal highs right here. I suspect these to get hit in the long term. We also have let's see how this candle closes. Actually, hold on. Give it one more minute. If that closes bullish, then wait. I'm sorry, guys. That's a 1 hour. That's a 1 hour mark. Okay. Yeah. So my bias is basically I'm bullish on the day. I want these draws on liquidity to get hit. It's pretty easier for price to sweep all this out right here, especially for low resistance liquidity, because we already, one thing we did was we just swept this out. Oh my god, we just swept out this low resistance liquidity. Okay, so I'm bullish now. I'm bullish on the day now on GU. This is actually good. This is really good. Yeah, made equal lows, swept that out. Now we're making dicks up. Okay, but we have to wait for news to pop out first before we do anything. Oh my gosh, we have perfect trend on liquidity right here. These actually are going to be my take profits. We have perfect trend on liquidity right here. So yeah, these are going to be my profits now on the 1 minute time frame. I want these highs to get taken out, potentially taken out London high, and then of course we have a 4-hour high right here that I have marked out for long term. But yeah, let's see what market wants to do today. That I'm bullish on everything now. Very bullish. So anyway, let's get locked in real quick. Move this screen over here so I can monitor. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna monitor GJ over here. So we just opened up in the market now. Okay, we just opened up the market. Bullish. Just gotta wait for news to pop out real quick. Yeah, just gotta wait for news to pop out real quick before we can consider trading. Gotta see what news data comes out. But all right, cool. Yeah, take profits. Final take profit up here. If we enter into a long position, just gotta see what price wants to do first. Let's see. Oh yeah, 1 minute. I really want these highs to get taken out right here. I have a big hard on right now about this. Big hard on about this. Let's see what price does with this. Respected. Gotta lock in. Red Bull time. Also, guys, I have an announcement about my trading, and I have come to the conclusion, and I've decided that based on evidence of just my profitability, my skills in the market, and leveraging my skills, I've decided that if I blow this funded account, or even just even start getting payouts, I have made a decision that I'm going to be switching. I'm going to be switching over. I'm going to be taking my trading over to the futures market, and I think it's the best decision for my trading, especially since that I have long-term. I have a long-term record of profitability. I've proved to be profitable through the high uncertainty of the forex market. Even though with my edge in the market, I have proven data. So I'm gonna be taking my skills to the futures market, and I'm gonna be buying a futures funded account past that, and then we're gonna go from there. So Forex has been fun. I will forever love Forex, but it's just because of the high uncertain. Whoa. Already, okay, guys. Let's see, we're gonna take it out. Okay, we just took out our first fucking TP, so cool. But that's before news. Oh my god, we we just took out high time frame liquidity. We just took out London 5-minute low. Let's see what price wants to do here. All before news too. Also, especially with learning that, and I know I should have known this information. I should have known this information, but because of how unregulated Forex is across the world, it is good to start off in Forex if you're a beginner and just basically find your edge, become profitable off your edge. And once you become profitable, it is good. It is a good idea to start looking into the indexes. And that is just because of the markets are already very uncertain. They are already uncertain as it is, but because of the unregulation on Forex when it comes to the currencies, it's a lot. It's just better to just go futures. I mean, that's why you hear a lot of beginner traders going to futures, and then they're reaping the profits when like they're taught the right way. They're taught about concepts like liquidity, low resistance liquidity, continuation confluences, imbalances to fulfill orders that are below liquidity or above liquidity, and then fill in resting orders within imbalances in the market. So whenever it's paired with like higher time frame confluences, so like if there's like low resistance liquidity on the 5-minute, then jump down to 1 minute, and it's like okay, but it's definitely just a good idea. News comes out in 12 minutes. But if we blow our funded account today, because I'm just kind of thinking about putting all the risk on. Because I'm at the point, boys, where it's like I've proven myself to be profitable. I've proven myself over and over that I know how the market moves. I know what moves the market. My edge is very strong. My edge is very strong. I've noticed a lot of things that a lot of traders have noticed and recognized in the market. So I'm on track on reaping the benefits, on being right in the market. I've proved myself time and time again. So I just think it's best that I take my skills to a better market, in a better regulated market. For like options traders are trading QQQ and SPX, futures is NQ and S&P 500, and like Forex futures is basically like, gold futures and shit like that, because that's where it's regulated. So we'll see how today goes. But I am thinking about going with Top Step, and that's just because I've heard nothing but great things from. I've seen and heard nothing but great things from this. It's definitely taught me like difference between like they've basically transitioned from Forex to futures, understanding like the terminology like pips to ticks, pairs to products, lots to contracts, buy, sell, bid, ask, mini pair, micro. So this is what I'm going to be probably getting my funded account through, especially, and the fees are cheap per month. It's only like $49 per month for the fees, which is really good. It is cheap. I've looked at other futures accounts, and it's kind of a little pricey. I mean, I can afford it easily. Just it's just a little pricey. I'd rather just see how I do on my first futures account. Um, but I mean, I my system has been proven to be profitable even on the indexes. I mean, I've been back testing for a while now. Um, on the indexes, so I'm not too concerned. Oh, sorry. At 7:08, uh, news comes out in 22 minutes, and now news comes out in 19 minutes. Man, we're already getting dicks up. I mean, we're already getting dicks up in the market right now. We just respected this fair vat. We're respecting this imbalance right now. GJ, we're still sweeping out the higher time from liquidity. Um, but also, when it comes to certain months, when it comes to forex, I have noticed that you'll either have a great month where every week you're getting 2 to 3 setups and it's just mostly winners, and then you'll have months like right now where it's just you're losing, there's no setups, and it's so uncertain in the market where nothing is wanting to be respected. So that's also why like forex is just not great, is not a great long term market to trade, and it's a great market to find an edge and learn the edge and practice the edge and practice your psychology, practice your risk management. Forex it is a good type of market to be doing that stuff, but if you want to become profitable, it's definitely a good idea to just take take that and then switch to indexes, and then all you have to do is learn price action. I mean, that's literally all you have to do, because I already know how price action works on forex, but even then it's still uncertain because of the unregulation across the world, because there's unregulated brokers that can manipulate the market so much easier on this. There's U.S. brokers that can manipulate the market so much easier. There's so much uncertainty that's more uncertain than indexes, where indexes are more regulated because it's only U.S. based. And even with foreign brokers, they have to get so much licenses, and they have to be a regulated broker to even be considered to be traded on the central, market exchange. Um, the centralized exchange. I mean, they have to have so many licenses. It's unreal. I swear to God, I would, dude. I would have entered right here, or right here. That's where I would have entered if we didn't have news. But no, we have to wait for news. We have to wait. Risk management, guys. But let's see what the market's gonna give us, because I mean this is also one thing about forex, is that most of the time before news, it gives you your setup, and then it plays out, and it's like, well, I mean I had to wait for news, because forex it dramatically affects the forex market to a whole, almost every red folder news affects the market like it's fucking Hurricane Katrina, whereas indexes, it's not as powerful. There's a lot of red folder news that isn't as powerful as some others. For example, NFP, you don't want to trade forex that day at all. Whereas indexes, it's okay to trade NFP because it doesn't affect the market that much. But I just feel like my hard work is basically at a standpoint right now in the forex markets. That's just how I feel. That's why I've been noticing that my trading is just at a halt, and it's just because one month everything gets respected, the next month or two nothing's respected, and even though it'll give you your setup, your system will work. It will tell you to enter, and you just keep getting stopped out every single time, and you're back testing, you're studying, and there's nothing else you can do, and you just have to say it's part of trading. So that's where basically I'm at with my trading right now. Is that this is a terrible month for forex right now, and quite frankly, I don't even hear any other forex trader even banging right now. Besides, if you're trading futures, because if you're trading futures, I mean, people are banging it out. No matter if every month's a good month, even if it's a slow month, you're still banging out trades, and good quality trades. And I mean, you don't want to be trading every day. You don't want to be trying to find a trade every day because risk management. But at the same time, forex. I mean, I've gone weeks without trades, and mostly it's because of high impact news, choppy markets. Yeah, so like high impact news, choppy markets, sideways markets, consolidation. I mean, I've gone weeks, and it's just like, well, what? It's like, what the fuck? You know, it almost makes you just want to stop in forex, and that we're about to take out. We're gonna take profit too. Okay, guys. Well, welcome to forex. Takes everything fucking out with it. So fucking stupid. Nope, here we go, guys. Gonna take out London High. So looks like we're gonna be trading GJ today. Because I mean, I was bullish on GU taking out all this, but let's. I mean, if we want to go back down, if we want to go to the downside, then I'm down for that. Because we took out this low resistance liquidity right here, and now we just took out all this 1 minute. We're taking out all this 1 minute low resistance liquidity. Well, it's not even low resistance. It's just basically take profit because it spikes in the market. It's perfect trend line liquidity right here. I mean, even though it's liquidity, I mean, like, okay, let's go down to 30-second or 5-second, 1 minute or 1 second. It's not like that. It's just basically like take profits. But this shit is just so. Shit is just ridiculous. Oh my god, it is fucking volatile today. God damn, shit's volatile today. Yeah, we only have prelim and unemployment claims today. Unless there's something I'm missing on Twitter. Something people are posting or whatever. Because sometimes even a single U.S. president post can cause fucking a major spike. A major spike down, spike up. That's how volatile forex markets are. That's why that's why it's just ridiculous. But anyway, I just want to make that announcement to you guys, letting you know, like I'm gonna be looking into futures. I just gotta figure out basically how to go from lot sizing. I have to figure out how to go from lot sizing to contract sizing, because it's completely different. I mean, everything else though, like just basically, like my stop loss is 20 pips. Well, now I have to start saying my stop loss is 20 ticks, because it's ticks, not pips. Okay, we got a 5-minute retrace on GJ. We got a 5 minute retrace. We got a 5 minute retrace right here on this candle after we set that liquidity. Jump down to the 1 minute, looking for potential inverse fair value gap, break structure or something. After news comes out, so we're monitoring that. Well, guys, I told you, I've studied Forex for a very long time. Knew where the market was going to go today, and I was right. Okay, not new, but I had a very strong bias. So if you guys don't think I know what I'm talking about, I promise you I fucking do. I understand these two videos that I have 1 win, 2 losses right now, and trust me, it's called Forex for you. It's fucking Forex for you guys, and it fucking sucks. But I promise you, I know what the fuck I'm talking about. I know what the hell I'm talking about, guys. I promise you. Just here's how I made $50,000 today. I'm lucky you even get 500 nowadays. Like, this is just fucking bullshit nowadays. Lucky you even get 500. Well, just month of May. April, I was supposed to already have a fucking over $12,000 to $15,000 plus payout by now. But then that's the month I learned more about I modified my strategy a little bit, and it's just because of things I've noticed in the market when it came to Forex. So I actually used to mark out 30-minute highs, and then I was marking out hourly highs and 30-minute highs, and then I completely switched to 1 hour highs and just started utilizing 4 hour highs, 1 hour highs, 5 minute confirmation, 1 minute entries, and now I'm just noticing 5 minute kind of sucks, and I'd rather look for other like low resistance liquidity, 5 minute retracements, and then 1 minute confirmation, and then 1 minute entries. And so everything's been the same. It's just as you trade a lot more, you start noticing a lot more things, and you start wanting to really just kind of fine tune. No matter, even if you're starting out, you're gonna start off with like a shit strategy. I mean, you're not gonna know jack shit. You may think you know about your strategy, you fucking don't. I promise you. Take it from me. When I first started out, but but I promise you, as long as you guys, sorry, it's getting fucking hot in this goddamn bitch. But I promise you guys, as long as you keep fucking going, keep trading, and stick with it, learn your strategy, become profitable. Once you become profitable, get a funded account. And personally recommend, honestly, now that I'd say don't stick to Forex. Maybe stick to Forex if you're having some good fucking strong wins and you're getting quick payouts. But start looking at indexes. And honestly, I kind of wish I did that. I ain't gonna lie. If I did that, I probably wouldn't be in the situation I am right now. Meaning, like, just fucking stressed about basically my 5-year plan, my long-term plan on this. I should have already gotten payouts by now. I should have already gotten XYZ with trading. So if you just became profitable, you got to become profitable. I would, and you have a systematic strategy, and you've managed, and you have good strong risk management. I would be looking at indexes, futures market. I'd be looking at the futures market. All right, we're getting dicks down on GU. We haven't taken out this higher time frame liquidity. We took out all this 1 minute, which is we took out these 1 minute trendline liquidity. We took it out easily, which is good. GJ, nothing yet. I definitely want to see an inverse of this real quick. I'm still here. I'm still bullish. I'm still pretty bullish on this. And oh my god. And I definitely want to see some. I'm definitely looking for longs right now. All right, we have stacked fair value imbalances right now. We have this, or no, we can actually disclude that. We respected this one. I want to see which one of these gets respected. Also, why did I delete this? Here's a lesson, something I learned. If you have stacked fair value gaps and prices in retracement, if it bounces off the top one, then the move's done. You can just delete this because now this was the respected one and what's it retrace to. If it blows past this or bounces off this, then it's like, okay, this one's done, but this one was the retracement. It's a good piece of information for you guys to take into your trading. So don't be fucking trying to extend this all the way and hoping price is going to bounce off of it, because I promise you that's not how it's going to work. Because the move is done. That move to upside, the continuation is done. All right, let's see what GJ's doing. What's going on in the 5 minute real quick? Hold on, I'll just show you guys on the main screen. 5 minutes. We haven't done anything on the 5 minute yet. We haven't broken structure or anything. I definitely think we're gonna go to the upside. I definitely think so, personally. I mean, it would be kind of stupid if we didn't, considering this was a 4-hour low. I mean, this was a 4-hour low. I mean, from yesterday. I mean, if we don't, then we don't. But like, we're bearish. We've been. London session hasn't manipulated anything. Like, going into the market on JJ, London session, there was no manipulation that happened at all. There's absolutely no manipulation that occurred. So I'm expecting at least the New York session to manipulate a low, and then distribute to the upside, because I have a bullish bias. And that's also another thing that that forex traders have to understand, is that if you don't understand manipulation, or if you don't understand accumulation, manipulation, distribution, you're not going to be successful in forex. And that is honestly the first thing I learned the hard way. And because when I learned what accumulation was, manipulation, distribution, it changes the game. And it's just because when you understand what point in the market is at, like, are we in a manipulation phase? Are we in a distribution phase? Are we in an accumulation phase? Accumulation is basically where where market's is choppy, going sideways, consolidating. Manipulation is basically where it takes out the higher low or 1 hour low, or just basically higher time frame shit. If it takes it out, then that's manipulation. And then distribution is basically, it's faking out those traders, taking out their stop losses, or to the downside or upside, and then it's distributing, going the opposite way. If you don't know at all what the phase market is in, then news just came out, then you're not going to be fucking successful. And that's on a real fucking note. Whether you guys want to admit it or not, that's the harsh reality. And oh my god, if I entered, I would have fucking banged today's trades. Oh my god, guys. I could have entered right here. Oh, well, I would have been stopped at break even either way. But at the same time, I would have gotten a... Well, this would have been de-risk because this is a 5-minute low and you want to de-risk this position. Oh, 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 watch this, guys. It's gonna take it out. It's gonna take it out. Oh, and I fucking called it. Oh, oh, we're going for there. Oh, just like I said. Come on. You know you want to. Come on, just right there. Right there. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. You know you want to. Fucking Christ, man. So we took out all this imbalance on the... Great for us. So, I mean, we're taking out... I mean, if price starts showing us bearishness, bearish order flow, I'd be willing to take a short here, but then again, we have relative equal highs up here. So, because I'm bullish long term. God, GJ is just wicky as fuck. It's shit like this, boys, that actually makes you question if you want to be trading FOREX. This is why I want to. This is why I'm going to be switching to futures because I'm done. I've proved to be profitable multiple months. Almost like I think I've only had like since February. Well, we had election year and Forex market was the worst. If you were a Forex trader during elections, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, well, hold on. That's kind of when I was like using 30-minute highs and the system just stopped working, so I had to basically like look at the market a little differently. Utilizing some concepts, just not marking out 30-minute highs. But I'm not paying for data to fucking backtest all that. I'm good. But anyway, before I was trading like this, utilizing the same shit, just trading a lot differently than this. I didn't get trades for months. Yeah, you heard it right. I didn't trade for months. And I was on the charts every day. It's just that's just when I realized the system stopped working, and I didn't want to change the system because it was like, oh, I was so set on it, and now I'm just like, I mean, this is why I've grown a lot as a trader. I mean, it's just called market intuition, market experience. And we just took it out, and I mean, yeah, I think we're done on GU. I mean, there's no signs of bearishness. It's gonna go for these highs. It's gonna go for these highs. I know for a damn fact it's gonna go for these highs, considering these are almost relative equal, and I mean, we got bullish news came out. Yeah. Fuck you. Okay, we got bearish news, but we got bullish news. Sorry. Hold on. Bearish news. Oh. Yeah, okay, so we got a mix of bullish and bearish news. So I mean, does it matter? Not really, because it just determines the candle. like the next couple candles. That's all it does, and then price goes back to normal. But you still have to wait 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes 30. Just depends on how volatile the move is. I mean, this was a volatile candle, but I mean, I just need to wait about 15 minutes. And basically, how to know how long to wait, it determines on you. Like for CPI, this would have shot all the way up here. Like it would. That's why you don't trade CPI or NFP in Forex. In Forex, CPI, I mean, you don't want to really trade it on indexes. But it's kind of up. It's kind of up to you. I mean, depending on when it comes out. Usually, it comes out around. If you're trading Forex and you trade New York Open on the Forex exchange, so like that's basically, I don't even know the Eastern time. New York time, it opens at 9:30. The New York market opens at 9:30 New York time, and so that means the Forex market opens an hour and a half before. So that's okay. So at 8 o'clock New York time is when the Forex market opens up for New York trading. So it's the earliest market in New York to be trading. It's Forex. But if you look at like the Forex market hours on baby pips, London and New York overlap as well. So you also have London trading for the Forex market, the pair that you're trading that's paired with USD or I trade GJ in the New York session. It's just because I find a lot more moves on it than London, but it's kind of equal. It's equal moves. I just prefer my time zone. I found more success trading in the morning during New York Open than London. And it's just because I'm not trying to stay up all night. I'm good on that. God damn, boys. God damn. Oh my God, guys, we're just respecting this, aren't we? Huh? But why did you enter on this? Because we are respecting this. I want this inversed. I want this inversed before we look for a fucking trade. Just because we respect confluence down here doesn't mean we're gonna disrespect this. That's why sometimes you got it. That's why you have to read the market. It's why you need market experience. You have to understand this shit, and this takes time. This takes maybe a week to just understand this shit, and then you have to understand your other continuation confluences. Right now, market's fucking going sideways, respecting this fucking fair value gap, imbalance. Yeah, guys, look at my 5K on the day. Fucking bastards. You hear anyone fucking making money on Forex? No. Forex maybe was the shit back then. It ain't shit now. Why are you trading it? I don't know, because I have a fucking funded account with it right now. So why not just fucking finish it out? Don't get me started right now. Just after just this month's price action, after every time I'm on YouTube, I'm just doing some self-improvement shit, and I'm just always seeing why go from Forex to futures. Why Forex sucks and futures is great. Why Forex traders switch to futures. It's every trading video I see on YouTube. It's literally every fucking video. I haven't found one single video that says why Forex is better than futures. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong that there's a video on YouTube of someone meat riding fucking Forex over futures. You know what? Fuck you guys. Hold on. Watch this. The fuck? What the fuck? Talk about fucking masked up in the market. That's. What the hell is he having this chart? Win 562 wins, 71 losses. Yeah, I actually want proof though. You can't just anyone can type that. How do you have fucking 561? You have 71 losses. Like, why Forex is better? Oh yeah. Hold on. Stop trading Forex. Why futures trading is the best. Why futures trading is better than Forex. Difference between trading. Why trade indices better than Forex? So indices is futures. Futures trading is so much better than Forex. Why futures are better than Forex? 3.5 reasons why futures are better than Forex for FX traders. Futures trading versus Forex FC. Well, I'll never go back. Or wait, see, no, it's different. Why I switched from Forex to futures? The ultimate guide to trading U.S. indices. Oh, never mind. Yeah, there's none. You won't find a single one. Which makes me question, why am I still? God, I'm yelling. What it makes me question why I'm still trading Forex. It's Forex has proven it proves itself every month on why the fuck it sucks. It really does. And if you're a Forex trader and you're just having a little doubt about Forex, please express it. Please fucking express, because truly, it fucking sucks. It really does suck. It's honestly terrible. It has proven to me to be a fucking terrible. Now, is it slow? Is it a slow progress but quick profits? Fuck yeah, it is. Oh, fuck yeah, it is. It's a slow progress but a quick profitable thing to trade. Whereas futures is basically like, I mean, same thing but quicker, a lot quick. I mean, that's one thing I've learned. Forex market is it's volatile because of the unregulation, and everything can be manipulated, and it's that bad. That's why people don't trade Forex. So, I mean, it's just these 2024 and 2025 have proven to me time and time again that I should have switched to futures a long time ago. I really should have switched to futures a long time ago. And I seriously should have switched. And all these new traders coming into the space, guess what they're trading? Futures. Not a single one I have seen says, I'm trading Forex, I'm trading GJ, I'm trading gold, I'm trading Euro USD, I'm trading GU, I'm trading the Australian dollar versus the Euro. No, they're trading fucking the main US index, the two main US index besides the Dow. No, they're trading all three. They're trading it's either you're trading the ES, NQ, or the Dow Jones, or fucking oil, or fucking gold futures, or something. They're trading something. me and my buddy are over here still trading fucking Forex, complaining about this shit. It's fucking with our psychology. Because truly, the truth is, it is truly fucking with my psychology whenever months like this happens. And it's like, am I ever gonna fucking progress? My skills are on point. My biases are almost accurate. Almost fucking accurate for the day. And even if I don't get a trade in, there's no setup, it goes towards the direction that I knew it was going to go towards. And it's at the point where it's just like, it's just getting ridiculous. I mean, and I can see why Forex traders just immediately just stop trading it, because it's just like, dude, Forex pisses everybody off. Like, it genuinely pisses me off whenever this shit happens.
Most frustrating thing about men is the fact
Dude, what the... What did I just watch? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's funny. But it's just absolutely getting fucking ridiculous. And I know you guys are watching this and you're like, can you please shut the fuck up and just trade? Yeah. What do you think I'm fucking doing? I'm sitting here watching Price take out all the profits I knew was gonna fucking take out for the day, and then you switch to GJ, and it's doing this shit after sweeping out high time frame liquidity that I knew was gonna sweep out. It's just, when is it gonna move? When is it gonna move? Why is it doing this? I mean, we haven't even fucking manipulated anything. We just manipulated. Why are we not distributing? So now we want to accumulate? Are we accumulating now? Are we just skipping over the distribution phase? Like, what the hell is going on here, bro? Because sometimes you don't even know why the fuck it's doing this. Like, on a real note, sometimes it's just like, what the fuck? We just manipulated, so we should be going whoop. But no. It's not how it works, I guess. I'm wrong as a trader, I guess. Fuck me then. But yeah, it's going towards here. I'm done. I'm done with GU. All right. Actually, hold on. We'll just keep this on. What did my buddy? Oh my god, boys! It's just shit like this. This is the reason why people just stop trading Forex. And quite frankly, for a long time, whether people want to admit it or not, Forex is dying off. No one's trading Forex anymore, and it's because of all this bullshit. The stacked uncertainty that extra manipulation happens in the market. That it already happens in a risky market. my buddy and I are already pissed off about how these new beginner traders, these new traders coming into the space, and they don't know they don't even know what a candlestick is. They don't even know what fucking open and close price is, up movement, down movement. They don't even know what it is. And then within 3 weeks, they get a $5,000 payout. You already know how I feel about that. It's like hard work for fucking nothing. Like, you just came into space and you're already making fucking money. Like, quite frankly, all respect to you guys. Keep up the hard work. But at the same time, go fuck yourself. Respectfully. But oh man, dude, it's just at the point where it's like, and then I know there's probably fucking futures traders in here just watching people trade, and they're coming across my shit, and they're like, wow, yeah, this guy's fucking real. This guy's saying some real shit. Well, no shit, Sherlock. It's just my ass just haven't switched to futures yet. I'm over here bitching about it, and it's like, then just switch. Well, you know what? I would love to. I can't just start trading a market I have no clue about. Contract sizing, fucking price action. Price action you learn over time, but main thing is contract sizing. And I understand the terminology from Forex futures is you want to substitute the word lots to contracts. But then I'm seeing people like I'm trading one contract, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30. I'm just like what makes up a fucking contract? Cuz like you can calculate your lot size through my FX book, and it's like basically you just put the pair in, put the stop loss in, the risk percentage of your account size, and it pops out with units and lots. Hold on. Does it pop out with contracts? I swear to God, if it pops out with contracts, hold on. Fuck you, Wanda. Fucking, you suck. Your spread sucks. Okay, money USD, units, and sizing. Okay, so sizing is lot sizing. Units is basically just what you type into the buy sell shit. Because they'll ask you like how many units of this currency you want to buy. That's basically what it is. Or if you have like a broker that says like put in your lot, put like 0.00, put in your lot. That's your lot size. So it spits out both, which is great. Because then when you're back testing, you don't have to you can just fucking put it. You can type in units, and it's like, okay, that's how many units, and basically like that. Yeah. Anyway, but man, I mean, I can sound like a broken record forever, but I'm just like, I mean, just letting you guys know, like, fucking, I'm over it, and I'm not even seeing any more. I'm not seeing any forex traders in this space anymore, and if I am, they just switch to futures because they're tired of this fucking bullshit that's going on with the currency market, especially with gold. I won't lie to you, gold fucking sucks. Best asset in the world though, greatest asset. Quite frankly, if I had the money, I would be buying ounces of gold right now, with how our economy's going. How I know where the economy's going? Oh, because I study finance and I'm about to get my degree, while I'm also a fucking trader, and this forex market's holding me the fuck back. Then switch. I am. So when I tell you some financial advice on here, guess what? I get to be a trader that says this is actually financial advice. You should actually full port SPX. Full port. Put your entire life savings on black. Go to the roulette wheel. Black. $50,000. Do it. Double your money. But no. Okay, don't take that advice. That's one thing I'm scared about right now, actually. Like, to be real with you guys, to be vulnerable with you guys on this fucking channel, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do after college. Quite frankly, this is my passion. This is all I think about. And like, I mean, even when I'm like at my my full-time job, part-time job, I mean, all I'm thinking about is finance, and like whether it's trading, whether it's portfolio management, building my portfolio, investing into assets that can potentially appreciate in value, or what assets could depreciate. Thinking about real estate, investing into that, into properties. I mean, just this is literally what I eat, shit, and breathe. I mean, I love finance, whether it's going from trading all the way to my portfolio, my personal wealth. I love this shit with a dear passion. This is proven to me to be a career. Doing this is an actual professional career. I mean, traders are everywhere. There's millions of traders around the world. I mean, what do you think the New York Stock Exchange is? What do you think these brokers are doing? What do you think? It's traders. You think this moves on its own? You think this is fucking AI generated? You think the market's AI generated? No, there's traders. There's investors on this market. Why is this thing going? Oh my god, bro. But, I mean, this is not the fucking chat GBT fucking generate an image with fucking soup. Like this is not how it goes. These are investors taking risky positions in the market. Buying shares, selling shares, buying bonds, selling bonds. Buying currencies, selling currencies for the appreciation of another currency or depreciation of another currency. I mean, but 7:57, 1 hour candle's about to close. And it looks like it might even close fucking as a doji. Wait, but 7 o'clock though? What are you talking about, brother? Oh, whoops. Never mind. One of these candles gonna close the doji. Yeah, this one. But oh my god, this actually pisses me off. Let's just respect this fucking fair value gap. For no apparent reason. After we just swept out our time from liquidity. And we don't want to take out London Eye up here. That is also equal highs. Oh my god. How lovely. Let me call JP Morgan and be like, hey buddy, can you please move the market? Can you please move the market to the upside, please? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I appreciate it. Alright. Alright, you too, sir. Okay, you got it. Bastard. Bro, what the fuck is this thing doing, actually? If you guys are asking me why it's doing this, I don't know. Like, genuinely, I don't know. I mean, my bias was bullish on GU. Took everything out before news, so I'm done. GU's done. I'm out. See ya. Bye. I'm out. It's gonna come up and take out these 4 hour relative equalize, so it's just why didn't you want to enter? Because of news. We trade FOREX. This could have easily gone down here. Gotta be careful with red folder news in FOREX markets. No matter what pair, it's always volatile. Always volatile. Insanely volatile. A lot of manipulation. A lot of uncertainty. Pull out game and pull in game is fucking crazy. Alright, it's 8 o'clock. I swear, if we don't want to move up from here, then we're definitely going to be moving down and taking out this before we start making a move up. I mean, here's the deal. This wasn't really a key. Like, okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal. If we were gonna move off of it, if I was seeing some bullish order flow happening from it, then I was gonna want. Then I knew this was gonna all get taken out. But this isn't a key level. I forgot to mention this as well. This isn't a key level. This is just basically a potential area for, like, just basically for liquidity to be taken out. Because this is also a 1 hour low, and it's also a 4 hour low. But like an area like this right here, where this is like, it's a major. I mean, it's a major fucking pullback. I mean, we have a, oh my god, major extension to the upside, nice retrace, major extension up. These points right, what the fuck? Oh, these points right here is basically like major key levels that definitely get moved off of. I mean, I have seen it constantly left and right. These things get majorly moved off of. It's unreal. It's honestly, it's surreal. It really is. But oh my god. I'm only on 2 hours of sleep right now, but I just chugged a Red Bull and we're fucking wide the fuck awake. We're fucking locked in for you boys, for you guys, for me. We're locked the fuck in right now. But, God, what was I gonna say? I don't want to be posting this and all you guys hear is just me bitching about fucking like FOREX sucks. I mean, I want to drop some good content for you boys, and that's just because I want to do it for myself. Whenever I was first starting out trading, I want to be watching shit like this where I'm seeing people trade and utilizing liquidity. But at the same time, I want to just say the realest shit. I don't want to be like, if you're gonna be trading FOREX, then don't fucking trade FOREX. Don't. Just fucking don't. Trade FOREX whenever you are learning the fundamentals of trading, whenever you're learning about risk management, lot sizing, and you need to understand how price action moves, how the market moves, what liquidity is, what fair value gaps are, what imbalances are, which is also fair value gaps, the same thing. These are imbalances, also known as fair value gaps. What you hear a lot of traders say, why trade FVGs or why trade imbalances? This is what it is. How to trade fucking equilibrium, how to trade order blocks, breaker blocks, inverse fair value gaps, key levels like liquidity, high time frame liquidity, low time frame liquidity, aka low resistance liquidity, trend line liquidity. FOREX is great to learn all that. But once you become profitable, once you get comfortable with it, once you trust yourself to press that buy or sell button, or press that bid or press that ask button if you're on futures, then it's a great idea. It's honestly a very great idea to switch to the U.S. markets, where price action is volatile. It is easy. The markets are regulated so that there's no extra manipulation with the FOREX markets. That's what you need. That's what you guys need to do. Utilize Forex just so you can get the free shit. Free shit to start off trading with. Free shit to start off trading with. Free shit to practice what you learn, and practice reading price, and practice liquidity, and practice your concepts, and practice your psychology, and practice your risk management. Utilize Forex for that, but don't utilize Forex for long-term longevity. Do not do it. Don't do what I did, and I wish I switched to futures a long time ago. I really do, and I feel like I would not be in this situation right now if I just made the switch. Because back testing and just learning and just always learning more shit, understanding more things like, hey, this is what's going on in the market. We have, for example, like Trump enacting tariffs. It's like, okay, and then just kind of testing yourself, like, how can that affect money compared to the markets? Money goes down, market goes up. Money goes down, meaning like the value of the dollar goes down, and then the market goes up, the value goes up, market goes down. What can this mean in long term? Could this be a bear market, bull market? And just constantly, just always be thinking about these things. Like, okay, hey, like if there's a 4 hour key level that I'm seeing, or hey, CPI made this high and it was actually a 4 hour high with a big major wick. We're making movement towards it. Let's see how we move off of it. Oh, well, we may a drastic move off of it, fucking down to the downside because of it, or straight up to the upside. So let's mark that in our journal, saying, hey, see, on the higher time frame, when the CPI news actually forms that big candle, like that CPI candle actually turns into the 1 hour candle or the 4 hour candle, because of the volatility from it. Price loves to move off of that high or low of that candle. So it's just definitely utilize Forex for the free shit, and then whenever you prove to be profitable, whenever you prove that you are comfortable and you have great systematic risk management and plan to enter into the market, into positions, and just basically overall have a great psychology, then it's time to start actually investing into your trading, which means you need to start paying for some shit. Pay for CME data on TradingView, or whatever fucking market you used to chart. Personally, I don't even know what other markets people will chart on, because TradingView is honestly the main one almost every single trader charts on, because it's so clean. It's a great interface. I'm not affiliated with this. I'm just fucking meat riding this fucking platform. And then, of course, invest into a funded account, a futures fund account, pay the monthly fee for their data, and just prove yourself, and then get those payouts, put them into a live account, set a goal. I want to have a 50K live account of real money I can liquidate from the account. I want to build up to that from these accounts that I'm passing, and then boom, now you're an independent trader, which is why the description of this video is watch me go from funded to independent trading, because this is basically the whole thing. This is. But that's some serious sauce I just dropped on you guys. It really is some serious sauce that, honestly, I don't even know what other trader talks about. Because all I hear from all of these influential traders is that if you're going to trade Forex, then I definitely recommend don't trade whenever there's news. No, just don't fucking trade Forex. Okay? If you're already profitable, don't trade Forex. Just fucking don't. I'd rather you trade the stock market. I'd rather trade stuff like Netflix or Tesla or Apple than fucking Forex. Because at least those stocks are regulated. And at least things cannot be manipulated. CEO says AI is coming for your job. I would love to see that actually happen because because yes, AI can come for certain jobs, but it can't come for most jobs, and that's just because most jobs require human interaction. Because even AI is wrong. Which is why which is fucking why the rat race is almost over. Why work for a man you're gonna make rich when you can be sitting here on your fucking desktop computer or your fucking PC making yourself fucking rich and not have to work for someone? Or you can be an independent contractor and run your own business. Or, like for example, an electrician who's like a certified electrician can open up his own business and he becomes an independent contractor. So he's basically working for himself. He just has to go out there and get those deals and bids. You can do that too. Because that means you're still an entrepreneur. You basically built a business. You're a businessman. But let's see what GJ's doing. Nothing. Doesn't want to respect anything. It's 8:14 and we're just going sideways. We're going fucking sideways. Look at these big ass wicks. And then we got the fucking news candle, and then just fucking straight shit. Straight shit. Like, how about this? I open up my mouth and you get just shit right in my fucking mouth. You know, I like to be wined and dined before I'm fucked. You know what I'm saying? Because lately, life has just been fucking me lately. And when I mean by life, I mean this shit. Let's see. Okay, pre-market is open for the indexes, so obviously nothing's gonna happen. So fuck it. I'm just gonna trade this shit real quick. Sorry, that's my back testing session. Let's see, what do we got here? 4 hour, 1 hour. Oh damn. Hello, baby. Hello, buddy. Oh, trend line liquidity. Low resistance liquidity right here. Nice. What do we got here? I'm gonna keep this indicator when I switch to futures, and that's just because I just want to know which ones. I mean, okay, it's called being lazy. I just don't want to fucking be like, okay, here's the opening of London. So then, okay, here's the London. No, I want to. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. I gotta change this red one to 8:30. Okay. Cool. Manipulation distribution. Cool. I kind of want to full send it. I ain't gonna lie. I just want to put my money account on the line, but we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna be idiots. We're not gonna be fucking idiots just because we're done FOREX does not mean we should risk a funded account that we were fucking grinding the fuck out. We literally passed our funded account in less than a week. It was a 2-step. We passed it less than a week. Because we had a minimum of 3 trading days. We had to trade a minimum of 3 days to consider getting it passed. And oh my god, dude, I passed it in 2 days. I passed one of the steps in 2 days, and it's just because, I mean, like I wish I recorded those moments and started this YouTube channel, and you guys would be like, oh my god, this guy really, just so you guys understand of how shitty this market's been, this fucking month has been. Because I've had great fucking months in the past, back-to-back great months, fucking wins, thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands on thousands on thousands on racks of dollars earned, of fake money. You know, I mean, to build up to this master account. And now we're here. Yeah, it's our YouTube channel right now. Oh, yeah, and let's just start showing constant losses now because this market's fucking me in the ass. So it's just like, okay, yeah, let's just show that. But, I don't even know how I'm gonna label this YouTube video personally. I don't even know how I'm gonna label this. I'm not even trading today. Obviously I'm not even gonna be trading. I'm not even trading today. I don't even know why I'm even on the charts right now. Well, I mean, it's 8:18. I mean, we'll stop trading at 9. But quite frankly, I'm about to probably call it early. I mean, it's starting to look like I should call this shit early. Because I just know we're going to come up and sweep all this out. Even though we have some bearish shit going on, it's a retracement. We're going to continue up to the upside. So, it doesn't even matter. Because I wanted all that taken out, and now this doesn't want to move. This is just accumulating. For some reason, it's accumulating. Hold on. Did this even take... Okay, if New York session is accumulating right now... Oh, God. Let's see. Okay, that's a 4-hour high. This is a 4-hour high, so... I mean, shot right past it. There's no fucking... Didn't take this out. I mean, this could have maybe been manipulation and then distribution. It could have been. There's a big possible chance this honestly was probably the manipulation phase, and then distribution, which would explain why market's going sideways right now. That would explain why this is accumulating, why it's going sideways, it's consolidating. aka the bigger term is accumulation. That could explain it right now, considering when we came into the market, we finished the distribution phase, and now we're accumulating, going sideways. So this could explain it. Big possible chance, and it'll continue like this all the way up until the evening. But I mean, if we continue this all the way up until 9, then or even up until like 10:30, 10:45, then my idea of what's going on in the market is right. Then we're in a accumulation phase, and that's the worst part about forex, is that you will never know unless you really do a deep dive. That's also how you would. That's honestly in forex as well, as like once you understand like oh, London session is now in distribution phase. Let's see if price in New York wants to continue the distribution down to liquidity, or if we just hit liquidity and see how price reacts, and most likely it's gonna be like what it's doing, and then it's like, okay, we're not gonna trade this asset today. We're not gonna trade this pair today, and it's just because we just entered into accumulation phase. So let's look at our other markets and see what's going on. In this market, obviously, distribution. Sometimes, I mean, well, I don't even know what phase this is in, honestly. I mean, we set out low resistance liquidity and we just fucking shot right up. So, I mean, sometimes, personally, it's hard to tell because it's not a solid plan on what it wants to do. Sometimes it would distribute for 3 sessions straight. Sometimes it'll accumulate for 2 sets trades and then manipulate next and then distribute, or it'll distribute, manipulation, accumulation. Sometimes it does that, but the order of it is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. That's the order the market is said of how it always goes. Accumulation is Asian session, manipulate is London session, and distribution is New York session. But the best fucking times is when New York session enters into manipulation. That's the best times to trade. Is whenever New York session enters into manipulation phase in the Forex market. Or whenever London session manipulates, London session manipulates and then distributes, but then wants to like respect the low or high, go towards the other liquidity, the high or low of the session, and then continue the trend, continue the distribution trend to the desired direction that the London session manipulated. So if the London session manipulated the high, takes out London low, goes to the London high, which means you can get an easy take profit at London high, and then it fucking distributes, and then it's like, okay, price is showing now strong bearish order flow from that London high now, after respecting the London low, but we're still in a distribution phase. What it looks like, it's just basically a nice respect of the liquidity, and then we can take it down to this 4-hour low, long term, which could be a fucking 6 RR. But yeah, because I've seen it so many times, and I didn't bank off of it because that's when I was learning how to trade. God, man. God. Don't worry. We're good. We're a better trader now because of those stressful moments. Also, I don't even know what to name this YouTube video. If I had an editor, quite frankly, I don't even know how people are editing these fucking videos. My buddy told me CapCut. That shit's complicated to work. And it's probably not common. I'm just probably too fucking lazy. I'm seeing all these fucking new YouTubers, and they have these great. I saw a little kid have like, honestly, the best edited YouTube video that honestly caught my attention. I was like, what the fuck is going on the screen? I don't even know how these people are editing their videos. Quite frankly, if you know how these big influencers are editing their videos, fucking drop it in the comments, please. Because honestly, I mean, what am I gonna do? Email them? Hey, buddy, I'm from the Midwest. I'm just a random fuck. How are you editing these videos? Like, they're just gonna fucking delete my email. The fuck. But man, I'm sorry for yapping, guys. I'm sorry for yapping, but like, dude, it's just this is just ridiculous, man. Oh yeah, see how a single candle wiped all this out? Like I'm saying. Okay. Look at all this low resistance 1 minute liquidity that formed. Look how beautiful that is, actually. How to tell if it's low resistance when I can draw a trend line and all of it wants to touch. See that? That's called low resistance liquidity. But it's on the 1 minute. I mean, you can use it for take profits. But this was on, let's say this was 5 minute price action. Here, let's just say this is 5 minute price action. Like, let's say I'm on the 5 minute time frame, and this is 5 minute price action. This is like perfect. This is like if we came up and swept this out and then continue lower, swept this out, jump down to 1 minute, and it's like we're showing fucking bearish trend. Then it's like, oh my god, okay, perfect. I can easily get in, take it all the way down here. But now, why not jump down to 30-second? Fuck you. Shut up. I don't trade that shit. No, fuck that. Not on the fucking Forex exchange. Yeah, it's called getting stopped out in a singular second. Man, after this video, I'm gonna be jumping on a call with my buddy, my fucking good friend in this fucking trading space. Talk some shit. Him and I are gonna fucking talk some shit real quick. But because this is the guy that I also trade these markets with, and him and I both have agreed that we're just. I mean, he's even getting to the point where he's fucking done. Quite frankly, I had to fucking stop. I had to prevent him from going over the edge on trading. I'm like, yo, bro, that's FOREX, bro. It's FOREX for you, man. But it's not even that anymore. It's just like we're idiots and we trade FOREX. That's basically our titles now. Idiots that trade FOREX. I mean, we're not idiots. But I just recently learned that there's a thing called FOREX futures, and I'm just like, bro, what the how do you not know about that? Because I didn't know. Okay? I'm not involved in futures. I'm not involved in futures. I'm involved in FOREX. GBP, JPY, Euro, USD, GU, GBP, USD, fucking Euro, USD. And the only ones I trade is GJ and GU. So, GJ, British Pound versus Japanese Yen, GU, British Pound versus US Dollar. Okay, it's 8:30. I have 30 minutes left in the market. All right, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Quite frankly, my bias was right. No entries though, and no, you can't enter before red folder news when you're in the Forex market. And also something to note is that, most of the time, whenever your setup forms, and you're getting bullish order flow, and then you have news comes out and it just continues it. That happens a lot. More than you know. But then you have a great percent that can immediately take you the fuck out of the market. And if you're thinking that's a risk I want to take, no, it's not. I promise you will blow your account so easily from it. And trust me, so many people have done it, and some people regret doing it. That's why you want to wait for red folder news. That's why I did not enter into the market unless you have years of experience of red folder news and you know exactly like listen, I'm a before red folder's news trader. Like, you know exactly what's gonna happen. You do your research and all this shit, or you understand how these candles work, like on the red folders. But if you're a new trader, even if you have a year experience, just wait. Just wait. Wait for the news to come out. Anyway, alright, I'm going to stop yapping. I'm going to end this YouTube video. First off, great day on GU. Bias was right. You know, we get to trade another day. The bias was right. Everything was taken out, so that's great for us. And then this, GJ can go fuck itself today. I certainly was expecting at least this. I was expecting at least something, but I guess not, which is fine. You cannot be right 100% of the time. You know, that's why market has uncertainty in it. That's why it teaches you something every day. But anyway, guys, thanks for sticking around. If you stayed to the end, thanks for sticking around, guys. Seriously, I hope this was at least a informative video over why forex markets kind of suck, where my head's at when it comes to my trading after a year and a couple months. Why I do this, why I post these videos, why I'm posting videos like this, and it's just because it's just for my unprofitable self, and just to help. At least I just want to help at least someone out there to at least just get a better feel and better understanding of the market, and especially when they're beginner, they have no idea what the hell anything they're looking at right now is. And I hope you guys follow me to the end, and please definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, well, not more videos like this, but definitely just want to watch the journey, and then just see me talk some shit during the market, like we're on an Xbox Live chat in a fucking Call of Duty fucking map. I promise you I don't cuss this much, but like it's just I'm so passionate about this. I love this shit. This is my shit. I love it. I love finance. I love this shit, and it's great. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you wanna express your opinion about anything I say in these videos, please express them in the comments. Just please, don't be too harsh, and all that shit. But all right, guys. I'll catch you guys. Let's see. Actually, hold on. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We have 7:30 news tomorrow. Then we have Revise, but Revise we don't need to wait for that. We just need to wait for PCE. So tomorrow we'll be able to find some trades. Hopefully. It's not guaranteed. It's not promised, but tomorrow I'll see. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow on Market Open. And have a good day. All right. Peace.